Just a quick review of linear equations. So a linear equation in one variable means that we only have one unknown value in it. Normally we use x, but any variable is fine. The general definition is mx plus b equals 0 because we can move everything to one side and make it equal to 0. X is the unknown quantity. So I have a couple examples here that I've worked through already. The first one's pretty basic, but it does have some parentheses. So I want to remind you that when you have parentheses, you need to distribute to everything inside. So on the left hand of this first equation, it's only the x and the 2 that get multiplied by the 3, not the 8 because it's outside the parenthesis. On the right hand side, it's a little bit trickier. Some folks have trouble if there's just a minus sign in front of parentheses. You can consider that to be like a -1 in front, and then distributing it basically just changes the sign. So instead of positive 2x minus 5, we get a negative 2x plus 5. The general strategy then is to combine any like terms on either side so that we end up with at most one variable term and one constant term or numeric term on either side. Then we can, so like on this one here, I'm going to add positive 2 to both sides to move the numeric part over to the right side. At the same time, I'm going to add 2x to cancel out the minus 2x to the left-hand side. Then the last step is almost always divide. Not always, but it is often. It's really important you get in the habit of taking this answer here and putting it into your original equation. It's a super quick check with a calculator. You can type it in just as it is written. You have parentheses on your scientific and graphing calculators. So 3 parentheses 4 plus 2 close parenthesis minus 8. Figure out what that side equals and then put the 4 in on the other side and just make sure that you get the same value. Another type of pretty basic equation we're going to encounter in this chapter is dealing with fractions in our equations. Most folks recall that we have to get a common denominator, something that both of our denominators or all of our denominators will divide into. So in this case, my original denominators were 4 and 5. I know that 20 is divisible by both of those. So notice that I multiply every single term. Even this plain 1 that wasn't a fraction. In order to keep things balanced, you have to multiply every single term in the equation by that common denominator. Again, your calculators can help you out here if you struggle with fractions. You can type in 20 times parenthesis 3/4 and it'll tell you the answer is 15. So there's really no excuse for missing these. Just use your tools. Learn how to make that work for you. Once you clear the denominators, you have a very straightforward, simple equation. That's a basic introduction. We'll get into more depth and other types of equations in a future unit.